Hello students, hope you all are doing well. I'm your course trainer Shanika Kalita from Hospitality Operation Housekeeping. And today we'll be learning about public area and laundry service for the unit 2, that is check public area. And our lesson objectives are: at the end of the lesson, you'll be able to explain the purpose of a checklist and procedure for checking the condition of the public areas and explain the ways to follow up issues for the attention of next shift. Purpose of a checklist and the procedure for checking the condition of the public area. So, all public areas should be inspected. This will help the hotel to attain high guest satisfaction in terms of public areas cleanliness and also for safety reasons. Use of a pre-printed room inspection checklist form will prove effective for the hotel management. It will establish a set procedure ensuring that will remind both housekeeping supervisor, executive and public room attendants of any defects and missing amenities for the guests. Each of the public spaces at hotel needs to have an inspection checklist form. This specific form will ensure that all components of that area have been cleaned and are ready for the guests to use. So moving to the next slide. So what are the basic items that need to be on every public space checklist and inspection form? Number 1. The appearance of the space is clean, neat and organized. Make sure the space smells fresh and clean. All of the lighting should work. Cords should be bundled. Next, the temperature should be comfortable. Then, trash has been removed. All trash receptacles are clean. All surface areas have been wiped down and or dusted. If there is furniture with cushions, the cushions have been removed and inspected for debris. If there is hard surface furniture such as breakfast room tables and chairs for full furniture, each piece have been wiped down from top to bottom. The flooring is free of debris, has been swept and wiped down or vacuumed. All windows and mirrors have been wiped down and no streaks are left behind. All electronics and equipments work such as telephones, TVs, fitness equipment or vending equipment, gas laundry equipments. All collateral is fresh and crisp. All linen and supplies are stocked and clean, for example full towels, fitness towel, toilet paper, facial tissue, soap, etc. So these are the points you should always keep on mind while cleaning the public area. This should be in the checklist. So students, hope till this point it is clear to you. So moving to our next slide. So here we will be learning about the types of follow-up issues for the attention of next shift. To facilitate communication on various follow-up issues for the attention of next shift, the public areas attendant can use following method of communication. First is housekeeping logbook. Second, maintenance work order. Third, supervisor communications book. So for follow-up issues, these three should be maintained. These three logbooks or work orders should be maintained for the smooth functioning of the department. So now let's learn what is housekeeping logbook is all about. So it is the single most important register, as it is here that the instruction given to the staff of the next shift are written. The logbook is referred to by the supervisors at the beginning of any shift for instructions from the previous shift. The logbook records the following information: room number or location, request or message, time of request, person assigned to handle guest request, completion of task. So a housekeeping logbook contains all those information about the guest, about the guest rooms and the time of request. So as you can see, this is one of the sample of the logbook, but hotel to hotel it varies. So this is just a example of a sample of housekeeping logbook. Next, maintenance work order. So what is maintenance work order? Maintenance work order is issued by the housekeeping department, reports problem to engineering which are reported by guests, staffs such as HVAC, that is heating, ventilation and air conditioning, problems, faulty equipment, electrical issues, broken furniture, TV not working, etc. This information is made copies so as to alert the concerned housekeeping supervisor that work is incomplete. It is important to ensure that the guest doesn't face any inconvenience due to a lapse in maintenance or because the guest unable to use public facilities like the toilet because of some faulty in them. So this is a sample work order of the maintenance work order. So next is our supervisor communication book. The supervisor communication book records the following information: content of daily briefing, follow-up, special guest request, special attention, that is for guest complaints, handicapped, then notices and memos, and the last but not the least, that is event forecast for preparation of events for the special group, VIP arrival, VVIP arrival. So the supervisor communication book consists of all these things. So students, hope you all have understood today's lesson. For any queries, please feel free to contact me. Thank you.